Hello everyone, thank you for watching my video. I'm Kuya Boy showing you a short video regarding free energy. Here you can see two alternators and one motor in the center. The first alternator is the one charging the battery, and the battery energy here is the one also I used to run the motor from 12 volts to 220 volts by using this inverter. Here you can see a light bulb to determine if it is charging or not. The same on your car. When you switch on the key to the accessories, the battery symbol light will appear on the dashboard in your car. And when you start your engine and when it is charging, the battery symbol light will disappear or will off. In this case, here the second alternator, it produces also a current, and I use that for some appliances. But even I used only one alternator here, still can use to run some appliances. Like for example, now I have here the grinding machine, and I plug this after when the motor is running. Now we start the demo for how to connect the line. You can see here, this is another equipment. This is a charging controller, no? It controls the flow of the current and protect the battery from overloading and low voltage. So from the output of the alternator and here, this is a negative side, so we connect here to the negative side of the battery. Okay. Okay. And the negative side also of the inverter. Okay, so in the other side, we put the positive side of the controller. Okay, and here the positive side of the inverter. So it is all connected, and you notice that the light bulb now is lighting, meaning the power is on the line now. And here you notice that there is a reading about 12.4 volts and 100% the capacity charging in the battery. So the battery is almost full now, or full, and we're going to start now by using the battery energy, and we switch on the inverter now. You see, the light bulb is off and the light is appearing, so meaning the system is charging now, and it is going to the charging controller, and going to the battery, and from the battery the current here inside the battery is the one also we are using to run the motor by passing through the inverter from 12 volts converted to 220 volts, and we plug in the motor here and here. So it is running now. Actually before I used two alternators here, but in this case I detached the belt and the pulley because I don't have a good kind of pulley, and I removed the old one. But before I used two alternators and it's working properly and produces a good current. So this alternator is not working now, but if you put some belt here and some pulley here, this will turn and produces another current. And this is separately. I don't put it to the charging point of the battery, but I put the output here to the plug out like this to use some appliances. So in this case we don't use this, only we are using one alternator. But even though we are using only one alternator, we can still use some appliances. Like for example, now we have a grinding machine now, so we have to plug in the end here. Okay, and we're going to start the grinding machine. So we start now. Okay. It will work. So we'll remove this one. So much better if this one alternator is working, so that we can separately use the other current. So guys, you can see now this is a free energy, and the current is just making a one cycle from alternator to produce some current and goes to the charging controller and charge to the battery, and the current inside the battery we are going to use to the motor, but by passing to the inverter from 12 volts converted to 220 volts and going there, like that, and going here like that. So you see, it is working. And you saw now, because we are using now the motor, you can see the changes of the voltage. It is 11.8 voltage now and 0.96%. So thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like and share my video, and I hope you can see my next video regarding also the free energy with direct 220 volts without using a battery, and hopefully we can show that a little video for the next topic. Thank you.